What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? This is the Smooth One of Smooth One Productions. I had to get me one of these things here. You know, little anything there. And I had to pick me up a dummy battery. What is a dummy battery? Hold on, I'm about to show you. I'm going to pull the dummy battery out. Right? This is the original battery. Get up in there. Right? This is the original Sony battery. You can see the camera is on. See? The camera is on. You can probably see me. Right? It's a little bright. Hold on. If I can mess with something here. Where's that thing at? See? You see me, right? Now, the dummy battery, you hook it up. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm opening up the compartment. This is the original battery. Okay, this is the dummy battery. Which side is it going? Pop that up there. Which one? That goes here. Okay, that's hooked on. See, the dummy battery is on. It's hooked up to a power pack. See, my power pack is on. I don't know how much juice I got in it. But my camera, I can record past the 30-minute limit on this particular camera because I'm a hack. So I hacked it. Smooth One Productions. This is my A6500, Sony A6500 battery pack. Dummy battery, you see it wired. My little, what they call this, a gorillapod or something like that. I don't know what the heck they call it. For blogging or whatever, you know, you can sit on the table or whatever. You know, I can take my pictures, I can record. I got a gimbal, I got tripods, I got monopods. But this is what I'm doing here. Oh, hold on. Let me hit that there. Let me put it on record for a second. Where is that button? See, now the Smooth One is recording myself. You see? I'm recording me. That's what I'm doing. No flip up screen or flip around screen or flip out screen. I was advised that it's possibility that I might purchase the A7 IV. I have the A6500. I have the A7 III. It's a possibility within the next year I might buy the A7 IV. For the flip out screen, and I don't have to use the monitor and stuff, you know what I mean? But this is it. This is my gorillapod, my dummy battery, my power pack. I don't know how long this is gonna last. I'm gonna have to test this to see how many hours I can get out of this battery. See, I can record, take pictures, just stick this in my pocket, and I'm good. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out. Peace.